you guys are all doing well. For today's video, I am collaborating with Zaful to bring you guys a spring haul, which is a little bit random because it is winter down here in Melbourne, well, Australia. But I couldn't help but pick up all these really cute spring pieces, so I'm just going to do a spring haul in winter. But if you like any of the items that I picked up or want to shop on Zaful for yourself, I'll leave my discount code on the screen for you guys. But let's just jump right in. So I ended up picking up a lot of shirts, so I'm just going to start with all of those. So the first item that I picked up is this really cute cropped button-up t-shirt in this really gorgeous plaid print. It's a light blue that has yellow and beige and a bit of black running through it, which is beautiful. I feel like all the colors complement each other super well. I feel like plaid kind of looks like school uniform, but I feel like that's kind of why I like it, because I think it's like really cute and reminds me of Japanese uniform. It's like cropped, so it looks a little bit more trendy. I thought it would be kind of like those thin dress shirt materials when I was looking at it, but it's actually a really nice, thick, good quality material, which was a pleasant surprise. It has 3 buttons down the middle. I got this one in a size medium. I feel like you can wear it buttoned up or unbuttoned, so that's really cute. Super versatile piece, and because there's a lot of colors in it, I feel like there's a lot of different colors that you could totally match with this top, which I really appreciate. The next top that I picked up is pretty similar, but it is a knit version. So it is a button-up cropped t-shirt in this beautiful lilac purple knit material. There's like little holes throughout it because of the knit patterning, but it's like ribbed around the collar, the sleeves, and around the bottom. It does also have these really beautiful pearl button detailing down the middle of it. I will say though that the buttons kind of seem a little bit uneven, and there's like a massive hole between the second and third button. I feel like it's missing a button here, but when I was looking at the picture, there is only 3. So the next piece that I picked up is this really cute blue and white gingham tie top. So it has a little bow in the middle that you tie together, and then at the bottom it's lined with like these little frill detailing, which I love, so it comes out a little bit. And I just think it's really cute. This one's in a size medium, and it does have like a bit of a v-neck, which sometimes I don't like, but I feel like there's other details in this that just make it a little bit more cute, so it doesn't bother me that much. I feel like the gingham is such a picnic print, which I love, and I think it's perfect for spring, so I can't wait to wear that one. So the next top that I picked up is this really pretty chain print scarf strapless tie top, and it is just a really nice white and gold chain kind of print, and I think it's beautiful. I love this color palette, so I definitely had to pick this piece up, and I wanted a scarf top for the longest time. I just feel like it looks really cool, and I love strapless tops, and it has a little bow at the back that you can tie, so it's like 2 little straps that kind of come out and you tie them into a bow, which is always really nice. I think I saw Jennie from Blackpink wearing a top like this, but of course hers was Chanel. It was bougie. I'm pretty sure it was a scarf that she just tied into a top, which was really cute, but this one's actually like a top. So the next top is the last top that I picked up, and it's this really cute black and white. I think it's like a bird print. I'm not completely sure. It's like, it looks like a bird outline of like the wings and flapping, but I actually like can't really tell because it doesn't look that much like a bird, but it's got like this little white pattern on it. But it's got cute puffy sleeves and a sweetheart neck, but I love the sleeves. It's like a little puffy sleeve, and then it has an elastic that tightens around the arm, and then it frills out, and I love how that looks. I just think it adds like a really cute detail to the top. And it is a sweetheart neck, so it is a lot more plunging than I would like, and even the front is a little loose, so like it comes out and it hangs a little bit. It's not that noticeable unless you're looking down, but if you're looking at me front on, you can't really tell. So it's not that bad, but I think I would have rathered like a straight neck. The sweetheart neck is cute, and I feel like it matches the design, so it's not that bad, but it is a little bit more revealing than I would like. But I would still wear it. I still think it's cute. Sometimes having a little bit of cleavage is not a bad thing. And it has a little tie at the front, which is really cute, so you can tie it into a little ribbon to the cuteness of this top. This one also does have a little zip on the side, so you get in and out of, which makes it easier. This one is a little loose around some areas, but still a really cute piece and still super wearable. So I picked up 2 different dresses, and the first one that I want to talk about is this really cute blue and white gingham dress, and it's kind of like traditional Chinese cheongsam dress inspired, with the neckline and then the little like white lining that goes down the side. It looks really, it's like a modern take of the cheongsam dress, and it also has puffy sleeves, which I love, and I just thought it was so unique with this design of dress, so I had to pick one up. It's like lined around the neckline, and then the white lining follows it down the dress, and then it's also lined at the bottom which is really nice. This dress also has a zip at the back, so it's really easy to get in and out of. I will say though that this is a medium size and it is a little bit loose in certain areas for me. It's like loose around the waist. I wish it kind of just gave me a little bit more shape. I feel like it would be a bit more flattering, but I feel like I can still wear it. I don't really know when I would wear a dress like this, but I realized that it actually makes a really cute top. Like if I tuck it into pants, I feel like it looks really cute, and it's probably a bit more wearable than wearing it as a dress. It's actually a pretty thin material. It's a little bit see-through, so I would definitely recommend wearing like nude undergarments if you're gonna wear a dress like this. But the fact that it's thin, it doesn't like bunch up when I tuck it into pants or like give me like weird lumps or anything. It probably depends on the pants that you're wearing, but the ones that I've tried wearing it with, because the material is so thin, it actually looks completely fine. And I actually think it looks really cute as a top, just because all the details kind of in like the upper half of the dress. So I really like that. So the next dress that I want to talk about is the one that I'm currently wearing, which is this gorgeous champagne gold mini dress. And it kind of reminded me of those like classic silk slip-on dresses, which I always thought were so cute, but I feel like they never really looked that flattering on me. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to give it a shot, and I actually love how it looks. I think it's so cute, and I love that there's a little bit more detail on this. As you know, I'm not the biggest fan of V-necks, so I love that this one is a straight neck, and I feel like the ruffled gathered bust area, it just adds a little bit more detail. And the straps are super cute. They're like little tie straps, so you can adjust them to fit your body however you like, which I feel like is so practical and just adds like such a cute detail to the dress. It has a zip down the side, so it's like easy to get in and out of, but I feel like you don't really need to because it's like not that tight. It's kind of loose. I feel like in this style of dress, the looseness is like really cute and flowy. One of the things that I love about this dress as well is that it's kind of versatile. I'm wearing it with a long sleeve right now, which I feel like kind of dresses down the dress, but if I wanted to, I could throw on a pair of heels and some accessories and totally wear this dress out to clubs or like a night out with the girls. So I feel like it's so cute, and you can wear it so many different ways, which I really love in a piece. So the next piece that I picked up is a two-piece set, and it comes with a really cute puffy sleeve flower print top, and in the matching print a pencil skirt with a little slit on the side. I fell in love with this set for the print and the puffy sleeves. I feel like the flower print is absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of those like traditional Chinese, Asian paintings or like fabrics, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. The colors are so nice, and the puffy sleeves did not disappoint. They are so cute and fluffy. I love how it looks, but I knew that this top was going to be a little small. Even in the picture, it was like tiny. It covers enough, but it is a little risque. You might have a little bit of under boob showing, depending on like your boob size, I guess. But for me, I do have a little bit of under boob when I wear this. Like one wrong move with my arm, I could have like my whole tit out. It's not like the most comfortable thing for me. I feel like if I was to ever wear this out, I might wear something underneath just for a little bit more security. The skirt though is a little bit too big for me, so it sits kind of on my hips. I don't know if it was designed to sit around the hips, but I kind of prefer it around the waist. Since the top is so small, I don't really like having my whole stomach on display. So I kind of prefer how it looks when it's on the waist. So I might take it in a little bit just so it's a little bit more flattering on my body. But I love the slit. I love skirts with slits. I just think it adds a little detail and it just looks really, really cute. I also picked up some cute accessories. What is spring without colorful scrunchies? Zaful has really, really cute scrunchies. I have so many, but I've never seen any like this. They're all pretty much like mesh and see-through, which I feel like is really, really cute. The first one that I want to talk about is this yellow one. They have a lot of different colors. I tried to pick colors that I don't have yet, but they had like pink, blue, purple. They were all like light, totally up my alley. So cute. But this one is like a little mesh yellow scrunchie, and there's pearls inside, so the elastic is like a pearl band, which I thought was so cute and so unique. You know how much I love little details like this in my pieces, so really happy with that piece. So cute. And the next one is this light blue scrunchie, and it is a mesh polka dot print, which I thought was super cute, and I love the color. And then I have this gray one with these stars. I love anything with like star and moon print, so I thought this one was so cute. It's not as see-through and meshy as the other ones, but it isn't opaque, so you can kind of still see a little bit through it, but it has little star detailing throughout. I feel like grey is also a really wearable color, so you can pretty much wear this with anything. So those were the 3 scrunchies that I picked up. I also picked up this really cute straw basket bag, and I've always wanted a really cute basket bag, and this one was just adorable. It comes with 2 straps, so there's like the little handle strap, which I love because I like to carry bags like this. And then when I get bored, you can put it on your shoulder and take this strap out. and you can adjust that to suit your body. On the inside, it's got this black and white plaid material and then a little drawstring tie. I have it tied in a little bow, but it is a string drawstring that you kind of pull together. So when you untie that, there's 2 little plaid flaps that you untie as well, just like that, and then you can open up the bag. I have rubbish in it at the moment because the bag got a little bit squashed in transit, so I'm just trying to get the shape back together, so it's just stuffed with a lot of trash. I feel like the shape is really nice, so I want to keep it in that shape. It also does have some little gold feet at the bottom, which is a nice detailing. But I just think it's so cute. So perfect for spring. I don't know. I've always wanted to go on like a picnic date, and I feel like straw baskets are like so cute. So I have 2 more items, and they're a little bit random, which is why I left them for the end because they're kind of wintry. I wanted to pick up some items that I could wear right now because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to wear any of these pieces for a while, maybe besides the scrunchies. But it is this really cute fluffy white jacket. It's fluffy. It's massive. So this one's in a size 10. I normally get everything in size 8, but I think that they sold out of size 8, so I just picked up in a size 10. I don't really mind my jackets being oversized because I normally wear like jumpers and hoodies underneath them. But I've wanted a white jacket for a while now, and I feel like this one is super cute. I feel like it really just like dresses up an outfit because it's like fluffy and white. It kind of looks a bit bougie. But it's so warm and comfy, so I really like this one. It has like buttons down the middle as well, so I think it has like 2 little buttons that you can button down the middle. I don't really like how it looks buttoned, so I don't know if I would ever wear it buttoned up. I kind of like how it looks unbuttoned, but it has like 2 flaps at the front, and it's just really warm. The next item that I picked up is this fluffy scarf. Oh my god, I can't. This is so pretty. I don't have any scarves like this, so when I saw this I thought it was really cute. Most of my scarves are the traditional scarves, and I've never seen anything like this one before, so I had to pick it up. It's like 2 tones. It's majority taupey brown, but there's a little square that's like a beigey cream color, and I love this color palette, and I'm probably gonna wear this like every time I go out, the times that I do go out. But it's so soft. I love it. So yeah, that's the last piece that I picked up from Zaful. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and of course if you like any of the pieces that I talk about or want to shop on Zaful for yourself, feel free to use my discount code, which I will put up on the screen for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.